Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our today's maths class. Chapter number 7, Coordinate Geometry, Part 9 of class 10. In this video students, we will finish this chapter. In the previous video, we have discussed centroid of a triangle and how to find that centroid of a triangle. Now, next topic we are going to discuss. See here students, this is exercise 7.3 which have been eliminated from your syllabus, that is 70% syllabus. This exercise is eliminated, so we are totally leaving this exercise and directly moving towards the next topic of our syllabus. So let us discuss the next topic. This is our next topic students, slope. What is slope means? Here we are taking one inclined line, that is like slopey line. That line we are taking 2 points on that line, that is x1 y1 x2 y2, which are forming a triangle, and the formula of slope is given as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If you want to find slope of any line, that is slope of any inclined line, and if you have 2 points, those are x1 y1 and x2 y2, then what you will do, you will use the formula small m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is this small m means? It is the denotation of slope. Nothing but slope is denoted by small m, and the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Remember this formula students. So open page number 193 students in your textbook and see exercise 7.4. Here what is the question of exercise 7.4? Find the slope of the line passing through the given 2 points. Here we have to find slope of the line passing through these given points. So let us find first one, what it is given, 4 comma minus 8 and 5 comma minus 2. Nothing but here x1 y1 and x2 y2 values are given. By using that we have to find the slope. This is the solution of exercise 7.4 students. First one, 4 comma minus 8 5 comma minus 2. First in the solution you have to write, let the given points be x1 y1 equals to 4 comma minus 8 and x2 y2 is equals to 5 comma minus 2. Now take the slope formula small m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here y2 value is minus 2, so write first here minus 2, in the middle minus is there, minus right, and y1 value is here minus 8, so take minus 8 divided by x2 value is 5 students, so take 5 minus x1 value is 4, nothing but write here 5 minus 4. Like that you have to do the substitution. Write wherever in the formula y2 is there, write y2 value, y1 value, x2 and x1 value. Now see here what happens here, minus 2 minus of minus 8, nothing but minus into minus plus. This is minus 2 plus 8 by 5 minus 4. Next see students, it is minus 2 plus 8 by 5 minus 4. 8 minus 2 is here 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore m value is 6. Nothing but slope of the given 2 points is 6. This is the first solution. Next I am saying third one students, that is 2a comma 3b and a comma minus b. So let us do this. See here students, this is the third solution. We have to take here the points given as x1 y1 x2 y2, and slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We all know this. Let us do the substitution. What is y2 students here? Minus b, so take in the place of y2 minus b. Here minus is there, write minus. Y1 value is given 3b, so write 3b divided by x2 minus x1. Here x2 is given a and x1 is given 2a, nothing but a minus 2a. If both minus is there, we have to do the addition. but keep symbol minus. So minus b minus 3b is minus 4b by a minus 2a is minus a. Nothing but here biggest number is having minus, so it is minus a. Both numerator and denominator has minus, so cancel them. Here minus minus get cancelled. Therefore slope of given these two lines is 4b by a. This is the slope of this given two points, that is 2a comma 3b and a comma minus b. Like that you have to do the slope. Next I am saying this fifth question, students. See the solution. Next, see students, this is the solution of fifth one. Here we have to take the points, given points as x1 y1 x2 y2. What are the points given? Minus 1.4 comma minus 3.7 minus 2.4 comma 1.3. So let us do the slope. M equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here y2 value is 1.3, so take 1.3. In the middle minus is there, keep minus, and y1 is minus 3.7 by x2 value is here minus 2.4, students, minus 2.4 minus x1 value is minus 1.4. So substitute here minus 1.4. Now see this 1.3, and here minus into minus is plus 3.7 divided by minus 2.4 as it is, and here also minus into minus is plus 1.4. Now this 1.3 and 3.7 is 5.0 by minus 2.4 plus 1.4, nothing but 2.4 minus 1.4 is minus 1.0. This is 5 by 1, and here minus is there, so it is minus 5. Therefore slope value is m equals to minus 5. This is the solution of fifth one. Like this you have to do the slope for every question. Your today's homework is, students, this second one, fourth one, sixth one, seventh one and eighth one. All are same. Here in the seventh one you have to convert it into simple fraction. How you will do? You have to do 2 3s are 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 2. This value you will get minus 7 by 2, and here you will get 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, that is 5 by 2. Then solve the slope, students. So take every point, first one as x1 y1 and second one as x2 y2. Here also x1 y1 x2 y2. Similarly in the sixth one also x1 y1 x2 y2. Here also x1 y1 x2 y2, and eighth one is also same, that is x1 y1 x2 y2. And solve them. They will come very easily, students. Today's section is over. Do the homework compulsorily, everyone, and send it in your groups.